Hey, welcome back to the office once again here at New Traditions in Somerset, Indiana. It is a beautiful Sunday afternoon. It is May 22nd. This is number 881, New Traditions Hourglass Dulcimer number 881. It is California maple from Central Valley, California, with an awful lot of ribbon in it. See if I can get this camera to pick up the beauty of this wood. It is just a gorgeous piece of wood. Back and sides, maple with the same type of striping in it. Headstock is also the same maple, all from the same log with Grover Stay Tight tuners on it. Alaska Sitka spruce top, Wenge fingerboard with position markers at 3 and 7, 1.5 fret on this one as well, and 25-inch VSL from the saddle to the nut. 25-inch VSL is a really comfortable playing scale length for those of us who are of age and for those of us who suffer from finger problems because of age or other things. This one has a black saddle and a black nut and gold hardware with the strap button, and the pickup input as well is also gold. The headstock tuners are also gold with black. And this is just a beautiful piece of maple. Just gorgeous, gorgeous wood. Lots of stripe in it, lots of figure. And it sounds a little bit like this. Another beautiful one. This is the date on this is 5/19/2022, so this is just a couple of days old. Number 880, Central California maple with an awful lot of beautiful ribbon in it. This has a nitrocellulose lacquer finish on it as well. Nice ribbon on the sides, a lot of striping in this maple. Alaska Sitka spruce, top with Wenge fingerboard, 1 1/2 fret. Of course, the 6.5 and the 13.5 as well, like all the New Traditions Dulcimers. And that's about it. It's got the New Traditions twin pickup installed in the Dulcimer. It's the Dulcimer pickup that we make here at New Traditions. There's the input jack right there. The pickup sits somewhere right around in here underneath the soundboard. Great instrument. There you go, number 881, New Traditions Hourglass Dulcimer. This base price for this instrument is $700. It does not include a case in that price, though we do have cases. and that price does not reflect shipping either, which, as you all know, shipping and prices in general have gone up. So unfortunately, we have had to reflect that. $700 base price for this Dulcimer, number 881 maple spruce 25-inch VSL. A great instrument. Well, there you go. Lord bless you guys. Till next time.